This video tells you how to create locations in Reslink's web service. If your company operates in multiple locations and you need to receive data from them, you need to add these locations to the Reslink platform. To create a location, go to Define Locations and click Add New. There's only one mandatory field, location name. Apart from the location name, you are likely to need the location address and coordinates. They are needed, for instance, to show the location on the map, both in the app and in the web service. Just enter the address in the Details section. The system will pick up the coordinates automatically. You can view your location on the map. That's it. Location is now created. When you have your locations in the system, you can, for example, track your company assets or create tasks to be completed in those locations and so on. If you are going to use NFC tags for checking in at your locations, you need to activate them. Watch another Reslink video that explains how to do it. To learn more, check out the Reslink platform documentation at docs.reslink.fi. If you have any questions, contact us at support@reslink.fi.